Hi guys. So today I wanted to hop on because I got a very nice package from City Beauty that I want to share with you guys. So you guys, look at this package. Is this not amazing? Thank you guys so much at City Beauty for sending this over to me to try out. So anyways, I wanted to open this with you guys and go through each product and do some lipstick swatching, because a lot of this is like lippies and lipsticks. As a matter of fact, I have one on my lips now, and we will go over the shade name here in just a minute. The first thing that I wanted to start out with that they sent over is their multi-action sculpting cream. This nourishing formula is designed to visibly firm, lift, and tighten the appearance of sagging skin. And that's what that looks like there. It's very nice. I've already opened all this because I couldn't help it. I've had this for about a week now, trying to get a video made and to share with you guys. But this is what the cream looks like. It comes with the little metal spatula, which is a very cute and very nice. I mean, this is one of the nicest little spatulas I've seen that come with a cream like this before. So I'm going to open this up, and that's what the cream looks like inside. And it's so nice and luxurious, kind of thick. It feels really good and soft. It just feels amazing. I can't wait to start using this one on. I haven't used any of them yet, but I will be now. So anyways, that is the sculpting cream. And if you go onto their website and you read a little bit about this cream, you will be amazed at some of the stuff like they have on there about this. A lot of goodness. They are cruelty free. It says multi-action sculpting cream is an advanced formula designed to target loose, sagging skin. Its innovative ingredients help deliver a powerful sculpting effect while leaving skin looking smooth and supple. With continued use, this hydrating cream naturally encourages collagen and elastin production to help diminish the appearance of aging. So I can't wait to try that out. The next thing that they sent over is their illuminating dark spot corrector. And it says this brightening serum helps minimize the appearance of dark spots or age spots, illuminating skin for a vital glow and a dramatically younger look. It says the benefits helps diminish the appearance of dark spots, promotes smooth, balanced complexion, helps restore skin's radiance and glow, nourishes cells with hydration, helps calm redness. And then it says solutions for dark spots, redness or discoloration, dull, fatigued skin tone, and acne scars. And whenever I was looking up this company, like a lot of their stuff is lab tested, which I know a lot of brands are, but I guess they do really intense research on their products. I'm talking like a lot. You guys have to go check their website out. I mean, if you're not even going to order, still please go check them out, because there is a lot of information on their stuff. I'm going to open this one up and just show you guys what it looks like. It looks like this here. It just comes in this little bottle like this, and it's got the pump on it, and it's like a serum, but it's kind of bright, and it's got like, I know I'm not going to be able to show you guys, but it's got like, not glitter, but it's kind of got like some shimmer to it almost. So if you put that under your eyes, it's going to kind of like leave a glow. I guess kind of, you can kind of see it there. But it looks like it will illuminate. So that's going to be pretty and pretty nice. I didn't read much on this one, but I read a lot on the sculpting cream. On this cream right here, I read a lot on. They even have videos on their website about making this and the things that it does and all that. So please go look at that. Some little cards that they sent over just kind of tells about the products, which I guess I could read off of this. See, the illuminating dark spot corrector, it has alpha arbutin, which brightens complexion and dramatically reduces the look of uneven skin tone. Sepacom S, which calms the skin, reducing appearance of redness, inflammation, and irritation. Sepa White, MSH, which masks excess pigment while reducing dark spot intensity and increasing skin luminosity. And then resveratrol, an antioxidant powerhouse that rapidly reduces the appearance of pigmentation. So that was that. And then the multi-action sculpting cream, it says Easy Alliance. which is an ingredient derived from the bark of a rare African tree, immediately forms a contouring network on the skin surface to create a smooth, tightened finish within 5 minutes of application. Wow. Progaline, a powerful peptide that improves your look with a remodeling enhanced firming effect. And Idol Lift, a cutting edge compound, creating a firmer look for sagging skin that results in a natural facelift effect without surgery. How amazing is that? The next thing they sent over is their Hydra Mask, Line Smoothing Hydra Mask. And that's what that looks like. The package is basically the same way. I'm not going to open one up right now. I think it's a sheet mask. Yes, is what that looks like. So I'm really excited to try those. I'm excited to try all this. It all looks amazing, sounds amazing, just interesting, even on their website. It says about the face mask, it says biocellulose microfiber mask, innovative material made from natural ultrafine fibers designed to penetrate skin pores significantly deeper than non-woven masks. Cell Young Ice Plant Extract helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, minimize pores, and enhance skin smoothness and elasticity. And then hyaluronic acid, a naturally occurring molecule that absorbs easily to give your skin a plump, fully hydrated look. Amazing. Next thing is their under eye recovery. This eye treatment helps reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness for brighter, fresher looking eyes. And there's the package, what it looks like. Here's what the actual bottle looks like. And it also is the pump, which I love when a product has the pump like that. It makes it very hygienic. And that kind of almost resembles the dark spot corrector in a way. Very nice. Feels really soft and hydrating. And it's kind of got that illumination effect again, you know, like the other one. So there's that, and it says on the card, it says chronoline, an amino acid sequence derived from natural growth factors that provides the necessary fuel for natural collagen production, leading a firmer, tighter skin appearance. Hylosphere uses a direct delivery system to saturate the skin surface with hydrating hyaluronic acid to help reduce dryness, hollowness, and shadows. Snake, which is that word there, not sure what that is. Snake, I believe, reduces the appearance of wrinkles on contact with dramatic reduction in as little as 2 hours. Beautify protects, strengthens, and improves the look of dermis properties on sagging upper eyelids as it reduces the appearance of uneven coloration and fatigue. And then Rejuvenax coats aging suffocated tissues with revitalizing oxygen to reduce the appearance of fine lines and create a smoothing effect for your skin's texture. So, oh, gosh, everything just sounds so good. Okay, so the first City Lips I'm going to start out with is their actual lip plumping gloss, and this is the one that they are most known for, I believe. It has hyaluronic acid spheres. It says these plumping spheres use the skin's own natural moisture to give wrinkles a plumped up look from the inside out. I'm not sure what that word is there, but that's that. And it says fuel skin's collagen synthesis and the skin's dermal matrix for increased youthful appearance. Jojoba oil forms a barrier that effectively locks moisture in and keeps lips looking soft, smooth, and supple. And then Yanglang comforts, smooths, and rejuvenates dry, chapped lips while helping protect them from elements. And that's Yanglang flower oil. And this one is just your regular average clear gloss. That's what that looks like. It's a plumping gloss. So, and it does work. Oh my goodness. Like, it did not work at first whenever I first put it on my lips. It took about 2 minutes for it to start kicking in. But once it kicked in, like, I could feel it. Let's just say that. I could definitely feel it. And it's not like your normal plumpers where you could barely feel them. I could really feel this working. Like, literally feel it working. The one that I have on my lips right now is in shade San Diego. And again, that's what that looks like. And here's what it looks like in the packaging. There's that. It's so pretty. It's my favorite one, my favorite actual gloss that they sent over. It's just beautiful. And they come in these gorgeous kind of like boxes where you can use them for display. How pretty is that? I absolutely love that. That's, again, San Diego. The next one that I have is called Pink Nude. That's what this one looks like. And it's also a gloss. And I'm going to just wipe what I have on my lips off. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch this one. And I will be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and I wiped the other shade off. And I put on this shade Pink Nude. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so once again, that was the shade Pink Nude. The next one that I've got here is called Rosy Mauve, and that's what that one is going to look like. This one is going to be an actual lipstick, and that's what that looks like. Super pretty, so I'm just going to take this one off and I'm going to put this one on. Okay, you guys, how pretty is this one? I mean, seriously, how pretty is that? And I did not know it, but these also have the plumping effect in them. So these are like a lipstick with the plumping effect. And this one, again, was in the Rosy Mauve. Like, I can feel it already working on my lips. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this one off. And I'm going to put on the last one, which will be the shade Pink Top. Or however you want to say that. And here's what this one looks like. And it's kind of a nudie brown, pretty nudie brown color shade. And so I'm just going to wipe this one off. I'm going to put this one on and I shall be right back. Okay, so this last shade was Pink Top. And this is what it looks like. Again, super, super pretty, nice, pretty matte. And let me also just say, these are the softest, oh my God, the softest laying lipsticks or matte lipsticks that I've ever put on my lips. You literally can't even feel it on your lips other than it doing its job and plumping. You can feel the plumping effect or whatnot. You can feel that, but you cannot feel the lipstick on your actual lips. They are so smooth and soft. I mean, it literally feels like water going on your lips or something. I don't know. It feels crazy. But the softest lipsticks I've ever put on my lips. Oh, one last thing before I go. I did want to go ahead and put the gloss. That's not it. The regular gloss over top of one of these. And that way we can try it out also. So here's what it looks like. Look at that shine. So, so pretty. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and going through all these goodies with me. Please go check them out. I mean, seriously, they are amazing. Their glosses and lipsticks especially. I do have a code for you guys that you can use if you do want to order yours. At least order one to try. I will put the link down below and plus the code down below. Use that, get a discount. Please like, subscribe, and leave me a comment on what your thoughts were. Until next time.